Okay.
Okay.
A list contains the names of people. Make a second list that contains the name of only those people whose names start with an alphabet input by the user. So the first thing we have to do is make a master list with all the names of people.
Yep.
And then we have to input the letter by the user, which you'll separate in a different list.
Yeah, perfect.
Enter. Okay. And then you have to make the temporary list where the alphabet inputted by the user will go.
Or where the names. Yeah, perfect. Very good.
Then you make a count variable. I'll show you why we need this later. So first thing we do, we make a for loop without range for a name and master. Okay. We have to make the if name of 0, which basically checks the first name in the list, equals to letter. So we're checking if this name is equal to the letter that was inputted.
Yeah.
Letter dot upper. We're putting this upper function, so no matter if it's lowercase or uppercase, it still work.
Yeah.
And then this is to say that they're equal to. So if it's equal to temp dot append name, so basically you're appending the name into the temporary list because it has the alphabet that was inputted. And then you to count equals the count plus 1 because this is to check if it's appended or not. So for the
Yes.
then you're doing it if count equals to 0. This is if there's no name in the list which has the alphabet which you inputted, then you just print no name present that starts with this letter. And else, if it works, you can just print temp the list.
Yep.
That's it. Okay, should I run it?